Many workshops lose accuracy not during cutting, but during reclamping. This heavy-duty 10mm center is designed to solve exactly that problem. Today, I'm standing at our customer's workshop. The machine is currently stopped, but I walk you through the structure, rigidity, and why this 10mm center replaces two separate machines. This is how our customers machine large shafts, flanges, and heavy industrial components.